dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile.
I normally don't make long intros, but I have to let you know this video is a collaboration with my very good friend Natalia from She Makes 31 here on YouTube. I came across her channel last year and I binge watched all of her videos. She has such good content. She is a mommy of 3 beautiful boys, loves Jesus and her family, and she shares a lot of DIYs, cleaning motivation, decorating, and all things motherhood, and she has such a great eye for home decorating on a budget. I will leave the link in the description with her video so you can check out her fall bedroom makeover. So before I can even start decorating, I need to have a clean slate. So I want to clean the nightstands and different surfaces of the furniture in my bedroom and make the bed and vacuum in this room. If you're new to my channel or Natalia sent you here, I wanted to say welcome. My name is Stephanie and I live in Georgia with my husband and my 3-year-old boy, and I make a lot of DIY, home decor, and frugal homemaking videos here on YouTube. If that is something that you like, I would love for you to be part of the Considered Our Joy community. In case you haven't noticed, my bedroom is super plain, and that is because I put my focus in areas that are seen by visitors. So I invest more in home decor for those areas and kind of neglect my bedroom. So that's why I kind of wanted to last minute decorate for fall and just make it nice and cozy so that at the end of the night, me and my husband can come and relax and feel like a cozy getaway.
Forever, I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here?
Anytime I'm decorating or cleaning or doing some type of project, I have to have something playing in the background. And right now I am obsessed with this novella, Betty in NY, and I am loving that, so I had to have it in the background as I was cleaning. Let me know in the comments, what is your favorite thing to watch or listen to as you're cleaning or doing some type of project?
Together, if I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can't always stay here.
Since I made a last minute decision to decorate for fall, a lot of the stores were kind of slim on fall decor items, so I went a little more simple and did a lot of DIYs to save money. One of the ways I saved money was by buying pillow covers, and I purchased 2 of them from Hobby Lobby when they were at 50% off.
You had me at hello.
Blankets always make a space feel so cozy, so in order to achieve that, I wanted to purchase more of them, so I had some throughout my bedroom. I wanted to purchase more blankets, but I only ended up purchasing 3 of them, and they range from $10 to $12 for all 3 of them, so I was super stoked that I was able to get them at an affordable price.
Leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need.
I really wanted a fall sign above our headboard, so to save money, I decided to repurpose an old wood sign that was collecting dust in the closet. I used some leftover paint that I used to paint my front door for this fall, and I freehanded the lettering for this wood sign. I do have a Cricut, but I decided to show you how simple it is to make something freehand and still look gorgeous.
I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
You will see me flying high. I'm staring into.
I wanted some candles candlesticks, but I did not want to blow my entire budget on just that. So I went to Dollar Tree and I found these ceramic candlesticks, and I hot glued 2 of them together so that I can get different heights of the candlesticks. Another DIY, I was inspired by this tray at Hobby Lobby. Even at half off, it was way too much. So I found things that I already had in my house. I had these iron handles. I had purchased them like 2 years ago and just never used them. And I always have pieces of wood lying around, so I used that and drilled the handles to the wood so that I can make my own serving tray. I saw this little canvas sign at Dollar Tree and I purchased it because I felt it went with my fall decor. Also for fall florals, I couldn't find anything at the stores that I wanted. Everything, like I said, was super slim pickings. So I went with this dried type of florals or stems that are at Hobby Lobby in the dry section. And I thought it was nice enough for fall because of the colors that it had. So I went ahead and used that and just purchased one, and I did use my 40% off, and I think it ties everything pretty well.
You got me too. Never knew that it could feel this way when
I was able to find some fall leaves at Marshall's for around $8. However, these leaves are kind of more realistic looking and almost feeling they had a real stem. So it was kind of weird to try to bend it, it would break. So what I had to do is actually use some push pins and break them apart to get them in the arrangement that I wanted them. I kind of wanted to have leaves falling off the sign, or the illusion that they were hanging off the sign.
my heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you'd stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while. So just stay for a little while. I didn't think that I would find that someone.
I gave this wooden arch a makeover by painting it an off-white color.
At night when I am vulnerable and it's cold outside, but you make it alright.
I wanted some amber glass jars, but I didn't want to spend any money on them. So a simple DIY was to grab some Mod Podge and some food coloring, mix all the colors together until you get a terracotta color, and then you can brush it on or add all of the solution onto the inside of the glass and have it drip out, so that way you don't get any streaks on your glass jars. That was my mistake, so you will see some streakage on my glass jars. You can use some parchment paper to line your baking tray where you will put your glass jars facing down, so all of the Mod Podge drips downward. And I put the glass jars in the oven for about 300 degrees for about 30 minutes, and then I let them stay in the oven and let them completely cool down before touching them. There's a bunch of Pinterest posts on how to make this process that can probably explain it a little bit better and get better results than I did.
My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while. My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that
This wig decor tray was only $7 at Hobby Lobby during their 50% off. All of the other decorations are from things I had around the house.
Stay for a little while. Stay for a little while.
On one of my trips to Goodwill, I found a really neat vintage looking bucket. It says shoe shines on it, and I filled it with a bunch of the leftover fall leaves, and I love it because it only costs $2.
Try. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how
I found this basket to add our everyday blankets, and I just decorated it with a pumpkin and a spool. I'm really liking this cleaning solution in the acorn spice scent. I rarely ever buy cleaning solutions that have scents, but this one I couldn't resist. I smelled it and had to have it. I really like the smell it leaves behind. It just feels and smells like fall.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can't always stay.
I ended up changing the wreath on this ladder and then added some fall leaves.
forever, forever.
I'm giving the room a final cleaning before I share with you the reveal of my fall bedroom makeover.
With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay?
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget this is a collaboration with my good friend Natalia over at She Makes 31's YouTube channel. Let her know that I sent you, and consider subscribing so you become part of the Consider It All Joy community by clicking the red button down below so you get more DIYs, frugal homemaking, and home decor related content. I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye-bye!
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just